Hello student, today we are discussing the NPTEL assignment 1 of Manufacturing Process Technology 1 and 2nd. The due date of this assignment is 5 Feb 2025. Let's discuss the assignment. The question 1. The question 1 is true strain is given by. So among the four options, the option second is correct. Epsilon is equal to log 1 plus E. This is the formula of true strain. Question second, the correct sequence of occurrence of following points in a stress strain plot is. So first, if you draw the stress strain curve, the first come the limit of proportionality. So second will be first the limit of proportionality, then elastic limit, then yield point, then ultimate stress point, and after that the point of rupture. So by this sequence the option 1 is correct. Now come to the third question. The total number of atoms per unit cell of FCC and BCC crystal structure is. So correct answer is 42. So in FCC 4 atoms per unit cell and in BCC 2 atoms per unit cell. Now come to the question number 4, which of the following is not true. The first three are correct because casting is the constant material volume retained, machining is the material removal process, welding is the material addition process. These three are correct, but option 4, forming is not a material addition process, it is a material removing process. So forming is the false statement. Now come to the question number 5, which define ductility of a solid. So crystal structure define ductility of a solid. So option 3 is correct. Now come to the question 6, van der Waals forces includes attraction and repulsion between atoms and molecule and intermolecular forces. So both A and B is correct. Toughness is calculated as, if you calculate the area under the stress strain curve, it will give the toughness of the material. So option 1 is correct. Hooke's law states that according to Hooke's law, the stress is directly proportional to strain up in the limit of proportionality. So option 1 is correct. Question 9. Question 9, it is related to the allotropes because allotropes show different forms in different temperatures. So iron metal shows BCC crystal structure while it shows FCC structure in 910 to 1400 degrees centigrade. So iron shows two different crystalline states, BCC and FCC. Last question is the hardness means. What is the hardness? So hardness means ability of material to resist deformation of wear. So these are the answers of all 10 questions in manufacturing process technology first and second. Thank you. For the next assignment, please subscribe my channel so that you will get the solution as early as possible.